Yo, I woke up. Now, would you look at the time? It's the Cho-vlog time. No way. Oh. Today's plan is to do no post-editing commentary. It's gonna be all live. Epic. Also, today we are doing bike check. Or bikes, because I've got multiple. Okay, I think I'll quickly go over my commuter bike. Wow! That's literally the cheapest decathlon road bike. The Van Rysel Tribune EDR Easy. It's stock, except for the bugs, which I've added, and also the Marvel bell. It's super fucking huge, heavy, and loud. Holy. Oh yeah, and the pedals. I think these are Dartmoor Candy Pro, maybe? The only changes I'm planning for it are going to be visual. Oh yeah, I also added the, hold on, the kickstand. Oh no, I just like having a kickstand around. Okay, so there's the fit. Today I found out that a 4K recording has a limit of 10 minutes. Yo. Did I mention you should watch the first Cho-vlog? Did I? I think you should, because it's epic. Whoa! Where are you going? Okay, bike check. Well, this is my retro mountain bike. Some shit frame with lots of stickers. Wow. Set R-Series saddle. XLC seat post. With height right. And SKS mudguards front and back. It surely isn't that cold today, right? Let's. Ej, Elmejo, your mama sat there. Yo, check out this chain slap protector made out of an inner tube. Check out that freaking bell. It works. Okay, so these are Supaka's Diamond Kush grips. We got the Dartmoor Swing Low handlebars, 50mm rise, 750mm wide. We got Shimano Alivio levers and V-brakes. Bang bang. No name fucking front shifter. That doesn't work, by the way. Stock stem, Lesign phone holder that I sometimes use. We got Jaguar cable housings, and these that hold cables in place. Oh, Shimano Atlus rear shifter. And let's end this batch with this fucking atrocity. The piece of shit rear shock. Jesus Christ knows how much trouble it provides. Today we're munching on some carrot, mango and apple. Death stares of death. Look, another one. Okay, what we've got here? A stock crankset, 3x6 drivetrain with Shimano freewheel. I'd like to change it to 1x, maybe in the future. Crank Brothers stamp 2 pedals. The chain is, I don't know, Connex something. Oh yeah, and the latest addition, Shimano Tourney delayer. I should be going home soon, so it's gonna be raining later, and it's already getting pretty windy. So yeah, I'll be heading home pretty soon. Well, I've lost my way a bit, but it's fine. I'll just be a tiny bit late. Holy. Found one. Urban free ride. Hide. Stairs of doom. Well, I'm home now. And okay, what is left? 26-inch wheels. At the moment, Kenda tires. That were their stock, I believe. Already got waiting a replacement for them. Right there are CST Grizzly Peak, I think. And also this, where's the thingy? Oh, Super Diamond Trash Rescue. This actually looks pretty sick. Sick AF, if I may say so. On the front, we've got fork, RST Kappa 26, with lockout, 80mm travel, of course, a kickstand. And I think that's it. Built, not bought. It's pretty dirty, so I think I'm gonna clean it. Okay, it's a lot cleaner now. Now I'm gonna lubricate the chain. I think that's the only thing left to do. Hell yeah, no more mud underneath the tube. Hell yeah. I also finally used that chain cleaner. It worked. It's definitely degreased. Well, bye. Well, came back from the frog shop. The bike is in the basement. It's time for me to wash myself. All clean. I forgot to shave though. Maybe next time. Okay, now I'm off to edit lots of videos. Wow! Got a lot of work to do. So yeah, that's about it. See ya.